Chris and I are going to Dunkin's before we get to Coco because, hey, oh my God, that's kind of funny. We're stopping for a Dunkin' before we go to Coco.
Is that coffee or cocoa?
No, seriously, I didn't do that on purpose.
Oh.
We were at Dunkin' Donuts because I want a coffee on our way to Coco. I like that.
Cocoa, Florida, that is.
Yes, Coco, Florida. Chris and I are talking about the leaves. It may not mean nothing to you, but it does to me. To both of us. Because they have that end of May New Hampshire look. But it's February 28th. What's going on here? What do you think?
You're not in New Hampshire anymore, Dorothy.
Bingo. We safely made it to the library, and Chris is going to explain to you why we're here.
Well, we're at the Port St. John Library in Cocoa, Florida, and I'm doing a talk called Steel Rails to Sunshine State. It's about Henry Flagler's railroad, big railroad that was built in the late 1800s, early 1900s. Mm-hmm. Very historical. So what's this, like the second or third time I've done it?
Third, I believe. We were here a few weeks back at Cape Canaveral.
Canaveral. Yeah, we've had a good response. Mm-hmm. Hopefully it'll happen again.
And we'll take advantage of being in the area and checking out Cocoa Beach a little later and see what we can find.
Mm-hmm.
Well, hey, Chris, how'd you like to go?
Oh, it went pretty well. Guess where we are now?
We are not at 1020 Palm Drive. We're in Cocoa Beach.
Who lived at 1020 Palm Drive?
Major Nelson and I Dream of Jeannie.
You gotta be a little bit older to remember that show. Mm-hmm. Yeah, well,
but
we remember it.
Cocoa Beach, Florida said, we're going to dedicate a road to I Dream of Jeannie just for the fans. And we have I Dream of Jeannie Lane right in front of us, which I'll show you in a second. But she did, wait a second, I got something to tell you. She did blink herself to Cocoa Beach to give out Jeannie bottle trophies to the marathon runners, half marathon.
That was 2015, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what else?
Was it really filmed here?
No, but they used the name over 82 times, Cocoa Beach.
Yeah. So people would actually come here looking for Major Nelson's house. Mm-hmm. And there's nothing here, but there is I Dream of Jeannie Lane right over there. And there is a historical marker dedicated to I Dream of Jeannie, too, for all you I Dream of Jeannie fans. And we're I Dream of Jeannie fans, right? Yes. I love that show. Let's go take a look at the That was good. Now, can you get back in your bottle?
But you didn't disappear.
Oh, hey! Let's go look at the sign. I'm going to try to talk over the traffic. They had to put the sign high because people were trying to steal it. But here is the I Dream of Jeannie sign. There's photos of her online standing underneath this sign when it was a lot lower, I'm guessing. But that's it. That's it. So if you come here looking for the house, oh, hey, Chris just pointed out. No, Chris. Stunning. I bet you the prize is at the end.
Prize or surprise?
The prize.
Surprise.
A prize would be the ocean. Or maybe we'll find Jeannie in a bottle.
Got a very treasure.
Here we go. Oh. Well, isn't this just beautiful? Oh my goodness. We spent a good hour here on Cocoa Beach, but Chris is getting warm in his suit from the lecture. So we're gonna go find a restaurant here. Now, it'd be nice if you could give us suggestions, but it'll be a little too late. We'll probably be home by the time this video gets up. Anyways, why don't you walk out with us to the car and check out the view. Looks like the shop is paradise.
Wow, check it out.
Oh,
Oh, here comes Ron John's up here.
look at, they have a whole parking lot across the street just for Ron John's. I'm guessing this place, oh, and a big bus. Look at that.
I think this is the original, or
Is it?
close to the original Ron John's. I'm not sure.
Stunning. Wow. You need sunglasses to look at that. And what we get over here? Oh, Ron John Beach Rentals. We get some Tex-Mex food over there. Burritos and tacos. And a red light. It's like a pastel painting. Cocoa Beach, right?
Right. What is that? Oh, another surf shop. Methinks surfing is big around here.
I think so too. Thank you so much for watching. We had a great day today in Cocoa Beach. Beautiful area. If you've been there, I'm sure you already know. If you haven't, you need to check it out. We had a lot of fun today talking about Barbara Eden and I Dream of Jeannie and Cocoa Beach and Chris rubbing the lamp.
Yeah.
Did anything come out?
I got to make 3 wishes. Guess what those 3 wishes are?
I'm afraid to ask.
Yeah, you probably don't want to.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna ask. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching, and please come back. Bye bye.